Do you see those cool AF1s with the holes in them? Yes, the chunky rope edition. I'm about to show you how to make them in 3 minutes. Real simple, real easy. All you got to do is listen to me and follow me and improvise if you have to. Oh yeah, but we can't get started before you like, comment, do what you got to do. But hey, most importantly, subscribe. Let's get into it, y'all.
These are your supplies. The links will be in the description. Of course, you will need rope. You will need a Dremel tool. You will need the drill bits or Dremel bits or sanding stones, whatever the name is. You will need shrink tube and a heat gun. Let's get started. Step 1, remove your laces from your shoes. Duh.
Tip, I like removing the insoles because, you know, that's what I like to do, and it leaves it more clean and you won't have to clean up the mess. Now these are all sanding stones, drill bits. As you can see, we have many sizes, so therefore use the appropriate size for your rope. If you want thick ropes, you will use a thicker tip. If you are using small ropes, then you use a small tip. As you can see, we have a fatty for the fat ropes, and then we have a little baby for the babies. So you can see we have a thick 8mm, then we have a 6mm, see? Thin, thick. All you do is put it on there like that, see? Be careful to not burn your hand. Be careful to not burn the shoe. So please take your time with this because you don't want to stretch out this hole too far.
Now that we are done making holes in our shoes, let's clean that debris off. Simply blow it off, brush it off, do what you gotta do to clean it.
See, this is what we have. After a quick wipe and got the debris out. Look at that, fresh white. Now let's put these ropes in, man. Now you can measure it, you can make it 54 inches, 60, 70, you can make it however long you want. I like using an actual shoestring to give me a template on how I want my rope laces, because if you actually want them to be tied, then you'll make them longer. If you want them to hang short, you will cut them shorter. Now I don't like using my heat string beforehand. I like using tape because it's easy. All right, now it's real easy. Simply feed this through the holes of the shoes. Now remember, this is a personal preference. Mine will be short because that's how I wanted them. Now all you do is cut it off at the end of that tape
and insert your rope through the shrink tube and cut it off once again. Real simple, real easy. Grab a heat gun and heat up your shrink tube around the rope and watch it mold into an aglet. Hey, if you like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, leave a like. If I helped you, leave a like. Watch what we created at the end. Thanks for watching. Yeah.